Have you seen your hair recently?
It's going a bit...
Less something from the 80s.
Yeah. Taking the piss out of my hair and put my hat on.
What are you doing?
Making seat brackets. It's got a tester on it and everything, look. We've got to make a tray of some sort to put in here to hold the battery, yeah?
Okay.
Whichever way is the nicest way to go.
Would the bike originally had a battery?
Yes. Yeah, but it, like I say, it was on in here where this all, or the other side over there actually, isn't it? Yeah, it's over there.
What, using it as a racing bike would have had a battery?
No, no, what it is, if it's a racer, they have, that's your generator in there. So that casing comes off, and they probably didn't even have points in them. It would have just been a what they're self-generating. So as you turn it, it forms a spark.
Okay.
And it'll have two pickups, one for two and three, and one for 1 and 4 pistons.
Yeah.
And they're set at 34 degrees total, maximum, always on full advance. Because this wouldn't, a racing one wouldn't have run under 4,000 revs. It starts at 4,000 revs.
Wow.
And that's why they're such a pig to start, because you've got no advance on your timing or anything. Hence sticking the big starter wheel under the back to get them going. But you can't do that on the road, it's just,
No.
it's just a pain in the arse. So hence you need a battery just to wind it over on the starter motor. We want to come up from this line here, because that being down there, it will look horrible. You'll see it all from outside, yeah?
Yeah.
So we want to come up to the edge of the seat there and follow as low as we can the line of that seat all the way round back to there, yeah? Okay. And that'll give us a plate to make a battery mount on. It doesn't have to be thick metal because we're putting a hoop in the back as well.
What's the hoop for?
Well, that seat, if you look at it, it's got quite a lot of flex on it.
Yeah.
So you want to put a hoop in here, and it has another bolt hole, even if the original had a bolt hole there.
Just to give it strength.
Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll make the hoop, and we can then weld the hoop to the inside of our plate. So you don't want to see the hoop below, do you? You just want to see the plate. It'd be better, won't it? Okay, right, let's find a bit of metal. .210, that'll be more than enough, I think. 220, so I want a 10mm rise. Be alright, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
you've got 10mm under there, more than 10mm under there, which is ideal, isn't it? We're going to have to come in tight to the chassis leg so it's under the seat and you can't see it, and then through our block that's going to be on there, yeah? Right, let's see if that's moved at all. Right.
So you're thinking about how to secure the battery, yeah?
Yeah, it's got to be on there, you know what I mean?
Personally, it'd be good to put a bar here,
Yeah, I agree with that.
bar here,
Yeah.
so that, and then either side, I guess.
Yeah.
It's not gonna, just so that it's sat in something.
Sat in something, yeah, I agree.
And then you could put some sort of eye that comes out the side of it here, and then just whack a cable tie straight over the top.
Okay.
Cable tie's not replaceable though, is it?
Yeah, but if you got to the point, if you're on the side of the f***ing road and it's gone, you ain't going to worry about a cable tie, are you, I suppose?
So what are you going to build up now?
I'll make a frame, fold some angle, make a frame to go around that,
Yeah.
and that'll locate the battery securely in there. We've got enough room for the hoop to go around either side. Okay, make some angles and far dangles.
So you got your two strips, so how are you going to make a bracket round of that? You're going to bend them round and then weld them together?
I'll make angle, and that'll sit like that then. Do them at 45s, rough 45s. Make them as an angle and then cut
Okay.
the corners. Do it that way, it's easier.
Okay. And then whatever length it comes to, we just build our hooks up there. Be fine, mate.
Yeah, it's much better that.
That is fully welded onto the bottom as well. Yeah?
Okay.
So you've got to put a hole in there for your engine breather tube to go to that. Then a tube comes up from that, comes out the side of the seat. And then we've got to put another hole in here for the positive battery cable to come down and through there.
Next week on The Workshop.